Okay, Miss Tyler, you are back and it looks like you have some binders with you.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
This is your evidence that you didn't have the last time? Okay, all right, and we are on much better behavior today, correct?
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
yes?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, what's going on?
Well, last time, you hit me in the face real hard with
How did I do that?
child
I didn't
support.
get off the bench.
I mean, I'm just saying, you know, it was with $7 million in child support and then $7 million, and then I didn't have any proof that I was already paying insurance and all these other great things. So I brought my insurance, you know, receipts here, and then I also brought...
She walks in with proof she did not have the last time when the judge had hit her with $7 million in child support. But today she is calm and composed as she carries receipts, insurance papers, and a story to tell. The air in the courtroom is heavy with anticipation, and yet the question lingers whether this will be enough to shift the tide and turn the storm of judgment into her long-awaited victory.
And also,
Excuse me, Mr. Lewis.
Your Grace.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Continue.
I also brought proof of some current situations. I am hoping I get my children back or get all the child support away and just pay the insurance until I get somewhere else.
Okay, so let me make sure I got this right. No child support, health insurance update. So the only thing you want to pay is health insurance?
Correct.
Okay, I got it.
For her children.
Mr. Lewis, you remember last time we were here, right? I got up and left. You remember that?
We won't cause that again.
Okay. And the last time I let you all do a whole lot of talking.
She is begging the judge, asking for no child support, only the coverage of health insurance, as she clings to the hope of winning her children back. The judge cannot forget the last time when chaos ruled the room and tempers exploded. But now the courtroom feels heavier, with secrets that refuse to stay hidden. And the question rises over what Mr. Lewis will reveal when his turn finally comes. For this battle is only beginning to heat up, and the outcome grows more uncertain with every passing moment.
Any of those outbursts, are we? We're on our best behavior
No, ma'am, Your
today,
Grace.
right?
No, ma'am, Your Grace. We understand this time. We have the assignment this time.
Okay, sounds good. Now, Miss Tyler, continue.
So first, if it's all right with you, I'd like to show you the insurance information.
Okay.
I explained that I have been paying $750 the entire year that my children have been with him, and here are the receipts from that.
All right.
Just 2 weeks ago, my child, Fire, was rushed to the hospital because...
Mr. Lewis, she's speaking.
Miss Tyler shows receipts of $750 a year for her child's insurance, but the calm is shattered when the bombshell drops of a child rushed to the hospital, and the haunting question of where the father was as accusations explode across the room while the judge fights to keep control of the chaos. This is no ordinary child support case, and the mystery only deepens as everyone wonders what really happened that night, with the truth beginning to unravel, and the next revelation threatening to shake the courtroom even further.
At home alone, and she burnt her arm on the stove trying to cook noodles. And I have the medical bill for that here, and it shows that I paid that as well. He was not there. He did not show up. He was nowhere to be found until they discharged her and I took my child to...
All right, so let me ask you about this. Did you give him a copy of this bill?
Absolutely.
All right. How long ago did you give him a copy?
Right after I paid it.
Okay. All right. So, all right. I have that noted.
She claims her child burned her arm while cooking noodles and had been left alone, and she insists the father never showed up at the hospital. She holds the bills she paid in her hand, and when asked if she gave him copies, she answers, "Yes, the judge," takes careful note of every word. But the lingering question remains, if this is true. Why has no one stepped in already? As the tension in the courtroom grows heavier with each passing moment, and the sense that something deeper is hidden refuses.
Here. So sorry I have all these documentation. But I also have a letter here from his brother stating that yes, I have been picking the children up like I'm supposed to, which is every week, three times a week, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
He got
And
really
one
creative
day-
with this letter.
I did. I wanted to make sure it was all facts and that you could read it and you know, it comes out exactly how it needs to be. But also it states in there how he lives with his mother now because the money that for child support is not being used for housing. They got evicted, so now they live.
Her binder grows thicker with proof of pickups 3 times a week, proof of eviction records, proof that child support money was not being used to pay rent, and even a letter from his own brother calling him out. Yet the question lingers whether this stands as truly ironclad evidence or if it is only another layer of drama piled onto a case already spinning further and further out of control.
Where the dogs in the cages are, and my baby's just sleeping on the floor now. So the money that I'm paying the child support, I don't know where it's going at this point.
That's what we're doing, babe.
Okay. In this binder that you gave me, are the cash out receipts in here?
No, they are on my phone.
Okay.
I do apologize
You didn't
for
print
that.
it out for me?
I thought I did. I tried to get everything else. Just one thing. Here you go, Your Honor. And boom. Here are all the receipts.
Now, I know you don't expect me to read everything in this binder or the highlighted portion.
She says the children sleep on the floor beside cages while he stays, in a shack, and she raises her phone to show Cash App receipts as the judge's patience begins to wear thin. The pressing question grows louder where all this money is going, because every highlighted page she presents seems to create more questions than answers. And now the moment shifts as Mr. Lewis steps forward, ready to speak with the weight of the courtroom pressing down on him.
No, you cannot. I need
Interstate?
Yes.
Like a highway?
That's the word, right? Interstate. To come in while she...
Mr. Lewis?
Interject.
No. Pipe down. As soon as I finish speaking with her, I will allow you to interject into our conversation, okay? Okay, thank you. Now, Miss Tyler, these Cash App receipts, they're kind of consistent with what he said.
No way.
I remember it. He blurted out 55. I remember it. Yes.
And in my Cash App receipts right there, everything on there is more than.
He blurts out 55 while she holds up proof of paying more, and the judge quickly silences him, as evidence piles higher on both sides. Yet the question looms whether these Cash App transfers count as true child support payments or only as casual gifts, because nothing is clear, and the courtroom grows colder with every exchange. Someone's story refuses to add up, and the truth feels closer than ever yet, still just out of reach.
It's to different people?
No, they're directly to him. That's under his name.
Because it looks consistent. It looks very consistent with what he said.
No, ma'am, that is every month. There's a deposit every month on my Cash App receipts.
You don't deposit no cash up. Dumb.
You don't write memos like what it's for?
Yeah.
It's to him. It's to him. So that's the only time I'm sending the money is for my children. I
Get
don't
it, you
need
must
a
have.
memo for that.
Right. Well, usually, I try to encourage people on the memo to write like child support or something like that, so it's clear.
Every payment carries his name, yet none are marked with memos for child support, and the judge warns that money sent without labels may be considered gifts, while she insists it was always for the children. As bank statements, receipts, and frustration rise higher, the question grows sharper if her claims are true. Then why is none of it crystal clear? And the tension thickens in the courtroom making. It's certain that this battle is about to...
Anything that you send that doesn't really say for a child support is considered a gift. So...
In his name?
But
no worries.
I'll definitely look at the highlighted portions.
No worries.
I would definitely look at the highlighted portions of...
Also behind, in that binder, there's also my bank statements showing where child support has been taking monthly payments out of my bank account as well.
Okay, I see that. I see that with the highlighted in orange, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, right. So is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
No, it's just last time they had a place to stay, supposedly. Now there is no place to stay, and I won't.
Every payment carries his name, Yet none are marked with memos for child support, and the judge warns that money sent without labels may be treated as gifts, while she insists it was always. The children, as bank statements, receipts, and frustration climb higher, the question sharpens if her claims hold weight. Then why is none of it crystal clear? And the rising tension in the courtroom makes it certain that this battle is on the edge of exploding.
My children.
Okay.
She highlights proof monthly withdrawals straight from her account for child support. The judge nods but keeps pressing. Where's the money going? If the children have no stable home, someone is lying. Now the spotlight shifts. It's his turn to answer for every dollar and every missing explanation.
So you want the children back, no child support, just pay health insurance. What are you asking, that they just stop living with dad altogether?
No, I want them. I want them back with me if that's possible. If
Okay.
not, then, because the money that I'm giving right now in child support, where is it going if you don't have a place to stay?
Right. Well, it's not possible here today because we're only concerned with matters involving child support and health insurance.
Okay.
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 Now for visitation and all of that, that's going to be something different.
Okay.
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 So is it okay if I move over to him?
Yes. And one more time. I'm so sorry. Come back. He sleeps in a car with someone while my children are in the house on the floor.
She demands custody, asking for no child support, only health insurance, and she claims that he sleeps in a car while the children lie on the floor. But the judge firmly reminds her that this hearing is only about child support and insurance, and that custody must be addressed another time. Yet as truth collides with law, the question of who is truly protecting the children lingers heavily in the air, while the case twists into another unexpected
See who's in the car?
Yeah.
Who is it?
The same.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does. The young lady that he played with toys with, it was her in the car.
Oh, okay. All right. That's back here in the gallery.
Yes.
Okay. Miss Tyler, don't come here and waste my time.
Nah.
You could have just said the young lady sitting in the back.
You said be nice, Your Honor, and I want to be nice and
Now, it is his turn as he mocks her story about the hospital and then unleashes a shocking claim that they have no daughter at all, only 3 boys, and the laughter in the room quickly shifts into gasps as confusion sweeps through the courtroom, with birth certificates becoming the next battlefield. Someone is clearly not telling the truth, and the judge's patience wears paper thin while everyone waits to discover what is real in this storm of accusations. Interview.
All right. Is there anything else you want me to know?
No.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, it's your turn. What do you want me to know?
Thank you, Your Majesty, for this opportunity to tell you exactly what's going on. First of all, she said that she took her child to the hospital. We got 3 boys, so well, girl, come in.
Boy, I swear to
last time
God.
we had 3
Earth, Wind,
boys,
and
right?
Fire. No,
3 boys.
no. 1 girl and 2 boys.
Devontae, and her.
Why you
moms.
keep making up these kids' names? Those
Okay.
they other girl kids. You know, and our children is Earth, Wind, and
Both sides stand firm each, insisting they are right about the ages of the children as the judge flips through the binder searching for solid proof, while the tension grows heavier and accusations fly across the room. The question rises whether someone has deliberately misrepresented their children to win sympathy, or if this is only chaos clouding the truth and all eyes turn to the yellow folder that seems to hold the answer, though no one can know if it will finally bring this fight to an end. Interview 30. Photocopied birth certificates hit the table as he claims every child is a boy, while she insists the opposite, and the judge digs deeper into the tangle. Yet no one in the room can agree on anything, not even the ages of their own children, leaving the air thick with doubt and suspicion. The question lingers whether this is neglect, deception, or sheer dysfunction, because one wrong move could cause the entire case to implode in the heart of open court.
You are, but while we're on the subject, did anybody bring the kids' birth certificates?
Oh, so
They in there as well. They are in that binder as well.
Okay, is it toward the front? 'Cause
It's
what
in
I'm
the
looking
middle.
at-
You just
Okay.
got, funnel through. It's in the middle.
You didn't tab it for me?
Somewhere in there.
That
You
manila
got it.
folder.
You didn't tab it or anything?
Yeah.
No, what, ma'am?
Yeah.
This one is organized.
It
It's
might be a
all
little
tabbed
bit.
and
It might be a little bit. He went school shopping.
I went school shopping?
That wasn't nice.
I went school shopping? Man, you
Okay,
so
which
dirty.
tab?
Ooh, you dirty.
Which tab are the birth certificates? Because both of you said ages that were
Why
far off.
you talking
Yellow
about?
folder marked Exhibit 1A.
The courtroom erupts in chaos as arguments rage over whether the children are 7, 9, or 11, with birth certificates clashing against wild stories and even the names of the children stirring disbelief as talk of earth, wind, and fire fills the air. The judge demands straight answers, but the drama is far from finished, and the reminder grows louder that the truth must be exposed and the children must be protected. For the next chapter of this battle is only just beginning.